What is the secret to losing weight and keeping it off? Here is your private affirmation session to build your strong mindset for a healthy body. These thought-provoking quotes are 18 of the best affirmations to encourage moving well, menu planning, meal prep, and long-term health. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. To accomplish great things, we must dream as well as act. Anatole France. 17. Good judgment is the result of experience. Experience is the result of bad judgment. Fred Brooks. 16. If a man achieves victory over this body, who in the world can exercise power over him? He who rules himself rules over the whole world. Vinoba Bhave. My books are like water, those of great geniuses are wine. Fortunately, everybody drinks water. Mark Twain. Food is not your best friend nor enemy. Bethany Frankel. Well-timed silence hath more eloquence than speech. Martin Farquhar Tupper. I fear my enthusiasm flags when real work is demanded of me. H.P. Lovecraft. The saddest thing that befalls a soul is when it loses faith in God and woman. Alexander Smith. Some women flirt more with what they say, and some with what they do. Anna Held. Tremendous amounts of talent are lost to our society just because that talent wears a skirt. Shirley Chisholm. Women want mediocre men, and men are working to become as mediocre as possible. Margaret Mead. Music and silence combine strongly because music is done with silence, and silence is full of music. Marcel Marceau. Great art is as irrational as great music. It is mad with its own loveliness. George G. Nathan. A true artist doesn't change with the times. A true artist is already way ahead of the times. Eric Pio. Men have a much better time of it than women. For one thing they marry later, for another thing they die earlier. H.L. Mencken. No sword bites so fiercely as an evil tongue. Sir Philip Sidney. Let every eye negotiate for itself and trust no agent. William Shakespeare. People from a planet without flowers would think we must be mad with joy the whole time to have such things about us. Iris Murdoch. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.